Soil investigation is an integral part of any construction project as it provides essential information about the soil conditions at the site. In the case of Dankaur, a thorough soil investigation is crucial due to the unique characteristics of the area. Dankaur, located in Uttar Pradesh, India, experiences diverse soil types, which can significantly impact the design and construction of any structure. Therefore, a comprehensive soil investigation in Dankaur is imperative to ensure the success and longevity of any construction project. The process of soil investigation in Dankaur involves several steps. Initially, a team of geotechnical engineers conducts a visual inspection of the site to assess the general soil conditions. This is followed by drilling boreholes at strategic locations across the site to collect soil samples for laboratory testing. The samples are analyzed to determine key properties such as soil composition, moisture content, density, and shear strength. Additionally, advanced techniques like cone penetration tests or plate load tests may be employed to gather further data on the soil's behavior under load. The findings from the soil investigation in Dankaur are crucial in the design phase of any construction project. The data obtained helps engineers assess the suitability of the site for various types of structures and determine the necessary foundation design. For instance, if the soil is cohesive and stable, a shallow foundation may be sufficient. However, if the soil is loose or contains expansive clay, deep foundations like piles or caissons may be required to ensure stability and prevent settlement. Moreover, the data from the soil investigation also aids in determining other design parameters such as slope stability analysis, earthwork calculations, and groundwater conditions. Any construction project must include a soil study since it gives vital information about the site's soil conditions. Due to the distinctive features of the terrain, a detailed soil research is essential in the case of Dankaur. Dankaur, which is in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, has a variety of soil types, which can have a big impact on how any project is designed and built. To ensure the success and durability of any building project, a thorough soil assessment in Dankaur is essential. In Dankaur, there are various processes involved in the soil investigation procedure. A group of geotechnical engineers first does a visual survey of the site to gauge the general state of the soil. The next step is to dig boreholes strategically placed throughout the site to gather soil samples for laboratory analysis. Key characteristics including soil composition, moisture content, density, and shear strength are identified from the samples through analysis. To learn more about the behavior of the soil under load, advanced procedures including cone penetration tests and plate load testing may be used. Any